The biggest cooking show in Gibraltar returns. Who will go from amateur chef to rock chef?
I think I could win the competition.
Well, everybody's here because they want to win.
I mean, I'd love to win it.
Your rice is slightly over.
For me, it was al dente.
Horrible remnants of the sea in the form of sand.
Rock Chef starts cooking Wednesday the 23rd of April at 9.